Open browser, tab, type canva.com. After that, the first thing that you notice a tab. In that tab, type YouTube thumbnail. After typing that, you will see a beautiful piece of templates that you can use, variety of, for business purpose, for social media marketing, for beauty, for music, for everything, right? I have already selected a design and clicking on that, and I'm uploading a picture of my and editing the things out, changing it to italic, changing color. That's it. So how simple it is to use in Canva. The things are so easily manipulated. This is how it looks like. Go to download and suggested PNG, download it, and it will prepare your design. Click OK, and that's it. Your template is ready. Thank you.